Hello everybody, I am here in Sydney. Please have a look. All the Tibetans have come together today to express our solidarity that we are united, to stand with His Holiness the Dalai Lama at this time. We are here to basically say, look, the short clip that was taken out of context. So that short clip is being used by Chinese Communist Party to tarnish the image of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who is the very heart of all the Tibetans and also the very eyes through which we look at the world. His Holiness has taught us, to always be honest, to have compassion to others. And so therefore today we are here to actually highlight the truth and then request you to please watch the video fully, which is 17-minute video where even the child involved in the incident also has talked about how amazing he felt, at meeting with His Holiness. Thank you.